Imagine this for a second. What if you had your own team of social media managers who worked for you 24 into 7, creating posts, making videos, and publishing them non stop? But the best part is, they don't just create random, boring content. They actually learn about your business, your products, your style, and then create unique posts and videos that feel like they are writing just for you. Sounds impossible, right? Well, that's exactly what this new tool called BuzzAgents AI does. So in this video, I'm going to show you how it works step by step. I will walk you through a quick demo so you can see how easy it is to set up. Then we will go over all the features, and finally, I will break down the pricing and the funnel, including all the upgrades. So you know exactly what you are getting. And at the end, I will share my honest opinion on whether it's worth your money or not. So now let's talk about what exactly is BuzzAgents AI. In the simplest words, it's like having your own team of smart AI assistants who understand your business and then do all the hard work of creating and posting content for you. Instead of giving you generic posts like other AI tools, these AI agents can actually train on your own brand, your products, and even your style. That means the content they create sounds like it's truly coming from you or your business, not just copy paste AI stuff, okay? And once your AI agents are set up, they don't just sit there. They can keep creating posts, videos, and images about your businesses endlessly. And they even handle the scheduling and posting for you. That means your social media accounts keep growing automatically without you needing to be online all the day, right? And here is the best part. It's not only useful if you have a personal brand or small business, Buzz Agents AI can also be a huge help for affiliate marketers who want to promote products without constantly making new posts, and for agencies who manage multiple clients' social media. It basically gives you the power of full-time social media team, but powered by AI. Now let's talk about what really makes Buzz Agents AI special. At the heart of it are the AI social agents. Think of them as little virtual employees who can each have their own style, tone, and expertise. You can pick from ready-made agents or create your own that matches your brand voice perfectly. For example, one agent might sound super professional and formal, while other can be energetic and fun. This way, the content feels real and relatable instead of robotic. Next, we have the AI video wizard. Videos are the king of social media right now, and this feature makes creating them super easy. You can drag and drop elements, add AI generated voiceovers, and even use avatars to present your content. So instead of spending hours editing videos, you can literally have professional looking videos ready in minutes. Another powerful feature is the viral post wizard combined with the variations engine. This one's a game changer. You just enter one keyword or idea, and the software will spin out hundreds of unique posts and videos around it. So instead of repeating the same content, you will have tons of fake posts to keep your audience engaged non-stop. But here is the part I love most: perpetual scheduling. Normally, with other tools, you have to keep rescheduling your content again and again, right? But with Buzz Agents AI, once you set it, the agents keep posting forever at the best times without you touching anything. On top of that, there are extra features like a viral video finder that helps you repurpose trending videos done for your affiliate content. You can plug in instantly, and even commercial rights so you can sell the content or services to clients. And that brings us to the last big benefit, the agency angle. Buzz Agents AI isn't just for growing your own accounts. You can actually rent out these AI agents to other businesses or start your own AI powered social media agency, something they call Agentic SMMA. That means instead of doing all the work yourself, the AI does it and you simply charge businesses for the service. Alright, now let's get into the fun part, the demo. I will walk you through step by step so you can see how simple this really is. The first step is to create or select your AI agent. You can either pick one of the ready-made agents that come with the software or build your own from scratch. If you build your own, you can train it with your business details, your website content, or even upload files. This way, the AI doesn't just know general information, it actually learns your brand voice and creates content in your style. Once you are set up your agent, the second step is to generate content. This is where the AI goes to work. You can ask it to create posts, images, or videos. And with the variations engine, you can generate hundreds of unique pieces from just one keyword or idea. So, for example, if your niche is fitness, you could type in home workout tips, and the tool will create dozens of unique posts and videos around that topic. Next, you can move to customize your content. This is optional, but it's great if you want more control. You can edit the text, add emojis, adjust headlines, or swap in AI generated images. For videos, there is a drag and drop editor where you can add slides, images, AI voiceovers, or even avatars that present your message. Basically, you can polish your content to look exactly how you want before posting it. After that comes one of the most powerful features, scheduling with content streams. Instead of manually scheduling each post, you can create content streams. For example, you could have a stream of motivational quotes that post every Monday and Friday, and another stream of viral videos that post every Wednesday at 3 p.m. Once you set this up, your AI agent will keep posting forever on autopilot. No need for rescheduling ever again. It's completely hands free, right? And as a bonus, when you get BuzzAgents AI, you also get access to affiliate training from Ben Murray, who is an experienced affiliate marketer. He shows you step by step how to start and run an affiliate business using their very software. So, not only do you get the tool, but you also get a proven system to actually make money with it. Now, let's talk about the funnel and the upgrades. Basically, this is really important to understand before you buy. The starting point is the front end offer, which costs $37. With this, you get access to the full BuzzAgents AI software along with commercial rights. That means you can use it for yourself, but you can also sell the content you create to clients. Honestly, for what it does, that's already a crazy value. Next, there is the bundle deal. Normally, it's $317, but with this coupon, you can grab it for $267. This is the best deal because it includes all the upgrades in one package at a discounted price. So if you know you are serious about this and want the complete system, the bundle is usually the smartest choice. Then we have OTO 1, the first pass bundle, priced at $230. This is another way to grab most of the upgrades in one go, kind of like the bundle that offered in a different way. After that, there is the Mega Bundle, which costs $127. This is an add on to the bundle that supersizes your account. It gives you unlimited access to extra tools like AI Whitetabs, Click Agency AI, Player Knows, live VIP training, an agency course, and more. Basically, it takes the bundle to another level. Now, let's look at the single upgrades one by one. OTO 2 Gold Edition $197. This unlocks unlimited power. You can create unlimited agents, unlimited campaigns, unlimited posts, and unlimited videos. It also gives you premium training, premium templates, and extra advanced AI agents in hot niches. OTO 3 Ravi Edition $127. This is all about expanding globally and making your agency look professional. You can create posts and videos in any language, remove the buzz agents branding, get it done for you content streams, a full social agency website, hosting, and even testimonials to showcase. Audio 4 is Platinum Edition, $197. This is the agency enterprise level. You can white label the app under your own branding, add team members, create 100 plus agency accounts, and even get approved to sell a high ticket product with ready made AI campaigns. Basically, this is for people who want to build a serious agency business with it, okay? Then OTO 5 Rank Reel $37. This is a special tool for video ranking. It helps you rank your videos on YouTube, Google, and even in AI search results faster and easier. Then OTO 6 AI Reporters $37. This one focuses on reputation management. It uses AI to manage and grow Google Business's profile, get reviews automatically, and boost local SEO rankings. Perfect if you want to help businesses get found in local searches. Then OTO 7 CoinCard $37. This is a unique one. It lets businesses sell products with cryptocurrencies payments. It creates sales sites, delivers products automatically, and even come with agency rights so you can offer crypto payment setup services to clients. So, to put it simply, the front end is great if you are just starting. The bundle is the best value if you want everything. And the audios let you expand depending on how big you want to go with your businesses. Okay. Like every tool, BuzzAgents AI has its strong sides and also a few things you should keep in mind. Let's start with the pros. The biggest advantage is the time saving. Once you set it up, the AI agents keep creating and posting content for you 24 into 7. Another big plus is that it doesn't just make random posts, it actually creates content in your unique brand style. That means the post, videos, and images don't look generic. They feel like they were crafted just for your business. It also works across multiple platforms, so you are not stuck only with one social site. You can grow your presence on different channels at the same time without doing the heavy lifting for yourself. And of course, since it comes with commercial and agency rights, you are not limited to using it only for your own brand. You can also run this as a service for clients and get paid for managing their social media too. Now, for the cons, there are a couple of things to be aware of. First, there is a learning curve in the beginning. You will need to spend some time setting up your agents properly so they understand your brand voice. Once that's done, it gets easier, but the setup is important. Second, while the front end is powerful, the full potential of the software really opens up with the upgrades. So, if you want unlimited uses or advanced features, you will likely need to invest in at least some of the OTOs, right? So overall, the pros clearly outweigh the cons, but it's good to know both sides before jumping in. So to wrap things up, BuzzAgents AI is a tool that can completely change the way you handle social media. It saves you time, creates content in your brand's unique style, posts automatically across multiple platforms, and even gives you the chance to start an agency or sell services to clients, all while running 24 into 7 without you lifting a finger. So, if this sounds like something that could help you grow your business or make social media much easier, check out the link in the description. By clicking here, you can grab the best deal and even get some extra bonuses to get started quickly. So, don't miss out on using AI to work for you while you focus on other parts of your business.